Channel. So someone asked me if they could use derive, if they could trade synthetics on TradingView. Well, the answer is yes. I want to show you how it's been done. You quickly go to tradingview.derive.com and it comes out on your chart as charts.derive.com, then derive. But I'll type in the word here for you so you can actually see what you're actually going to look for. Firstly, how do you use this chart? It's the same way of using TradingView like this on your chart. You come to that same chart. On your left hand side, let me move it to the right. On your left hand side here, you will see the icons that you can use. But firstly, you tap on this section here, this symbol search. When you tap on it, it will enable you to find all kinds of derived pair that you are looking for. There is forex pair, there is stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, then derive. If you tap on derive, you see all derived pair, volatility index, 10 seconds, 1 second index, volatility index, this VIX25, volatility 50, that's VIX50, volatility 75, VIX75. This is how you can use the derive trading view on your charts. Then when you come here, you can change your charts to any type that you want to be: candlestick, bars, lines of your choice. Then you come here, indicator, any kind of indicator that you want on your chart. You can easily find it here on this section. Then you come on this direction here, you can come in here and tap on trend line, put it as your favorite the way you do on TradingView. Your arrow, you can come in here, put in your Fibonacci retracement, tap it on your star like favorite. You come here, put in your letter, you come here, put in anything that you want of your choice, your long position or short position. It's actually in this column here, just like your normal trading view. Just like your normal trading view. Then you can see you can actually use ICT on this pair. You can see the market shifted structure here. Can you see it here? Market shifted structure here. And what happened? Market came to the mitigation block. You come in this direction here, you look for your rectangle, you star it. And what happened? Market came back into the mitigation block, which you can see here, and market reacted down. The same thing here, there was a shift in market structure down here. Can you see it? There was a shift in market structure down here. And what happened? Market came down to the mitigation block down here. And what are you seeing? It's reacting up. Can you see it? So I hope this video is kind of helpful to you. Just the way you use your trading view, you can also use the way you use your trading view for normal currency. You can also use trading view for synthetic indices. Tradingview.derive.com. I'll put it out here for you to see. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel and ask your questions. And I'll be here to guide you on every steps. Thank you very much. And don't forget again to ask your questions.